Okay, at long last, I am going to unbox my books from Book Baby that arrived yesterday. This is actually the second edition of this book, but it's a real unboxing because I screwed up on the first edition. My fault, totally. Nothing to do with Book Baby. And I had to resubmit my book and make a second edition, which I am seeing for the first time here. I'm not nervous this time because I had a feeling I had kind of screwed up last time and I was in kind of a rush to make things happen, and I did. This time I know that I have paid attention, I have gone over the details, I have thought through the process, I have gotten help from Book Baby. Shout out to Book Baby. They're amazing. They responded to all of my questions, all of my needs in a prompt, helpful way. And I feel confident that I'm going to open this box and I'm going to be happy with what's in it. So let's do it. I'm trying to cut the books. I've watched a lot of these videos from other people doing this. And here I am doing it myself. All right. The moment of truth, almost. Maybe another moment first. All right. There it is. It's a hardcover. So far, so good. I'm liking it. It's pretty. This is a hardcover book, perfect rhymes for young cat lovers. And I started making this book almost 30 years ago when I made rhymes and drawings for my two young granddaughters. And I tucked them away and forgot about them, and then found them again about a year ago, decided to finish them, redo the drawings, and turn them into a book. And now I can read this book to my great-granddaughter, or soon. Well, I haven't actually opened it yet, so is it going to be okay? Yeah, it's going to be okay. All right, here we go. Oh, it's blank. I'm kidding. It's only blank on the first page. There's the cover, or the cover page. Dedication page. Oh, that's nice. This started this whole process, this very verse. I'll read it to you. Sunflower dance. Come, pretty kitty, and your kittens 3, and dance the sunflower dance with me. Then we'll sit on a pumpkin, short or tall, and watch the red leaves as they fall. All right, I am very happy with the quality of that. And I'm really happy that my friend suggested I fix these pages that are next to the illustrations by adding a little more illustration, and that I did. Okay, we won't read all of these right now, but I am very pleased with what I'm seeing. This is fun. Wonder how long it'll take me to start dreaming about doing another one. Yeah, I kind of already have been doing that. All right. I won't show you all this, but I will tell you how you can purchase it. If you're watching this video on Book Baby, you already know how. And if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, I'll give you a link to how you can purchase it on Book Baby. Oh, this was really a lot of fun. Should I read one more? I guess I might. Not that one. Not that one. All right, my granddaughter says this was always her favorite one. Bubble baths. Bubble baths are so much fun. No, I'm sorry. She thought that the cinnamon toast one was her favorite. All right, my granddaughter always said that this was her favorite. Toast. Sprinkled cinnamon on my toast. It's the breakfast I love most. All right, thanks, Book Baby, and thanks to everyone who supported this project.